Hello, I received your question about, let's see, problem on page 323, number 25. So if we look at the problem here, here we have it. It's an interesting problem. A system of two linear equations has a solution 2, 4. So we have two lines that pass through 2, 4. Slope of one line is twice the slope of the other. Okay, if the equation of one of the lines is given as y equals 3x minus 2, what are the two possible equations of the other line? Okay, so if I come back over here, I've already wrote down, past point here, 2, 4, and this is one of the lines. We want to find another line that has twice that slope, or actually half. So this equation solved for y, so the slope of this line is 3. Okay, any line that has double the slope, be twice 6. So one equation we want to find, we'd use a slope of 6 and the order pair up here in our formula, for finding the equation of a line. And so if it's 2, 4 for the y value, and 6 for the slope, makes it twice the slope, and then 2 here. And so what they do is they do y, so I'll distribute the 6. 6 times 2 is 12, and if I add 4 to each side, I'll have it here. So I think if you check the answers, y equals 6x minus 8. This is an equation of a line that passes through this point and has twice that slope. Go back to the question here. The slope of one line is twice the slope of the other. Okay, and so what could be the other slope? Well, if the slope of this one's 3, it just says the one slope's twice the other. So we could take a half of that slope. Half of the slope would just be 3. So if we had a line with slope of 3 over 2 and 3, you see one is twice the other. So use this slope. Well, maybe I'll do it in red this time. Use this slope and the same point, and we'll get another equation and the same formula up here. So I'm going to use a 4 and a 2 for the order, but for the x, the y and the x, but I'm going to use 3/2 for the slope. The item is different. And so substitute those three numbers here into this formula. That's what I have. I believe they solve this for y again. Oops. I need to erase that. Minus 4. So I distribute the 3/2, be 3/2 of x minus 3/2 times 2, the 2 over 1. So that's just going to leave you 3. So I'll have y minus 4 equals x minus 3. Add 4 to each side and we'll have the other equation. And so let's see, I'll write it here where I have room. So it's y equals 3/2, and then negative 3 plus 4 would be plus 1. So here's an equation, where this system of equations, the system here, the solution is this ordered pair. One equation has twice the slope of the other. And if we look at the other example, if we look at this equation and this one here, original one, this system has that ordered pair as the solution, and the slope of this one's twice the slope of the other one. Hope that helps. Bye.